I was just driving with my windows kind of halfway down, and then all of a sudden Georgia State Patrol drives right past me, like from the other side, and then he makes a U-turn and gets right behind me, and I'm like, oh shit, this is it, this is it. I don't know what I did. It's probably the window tint, because I've gotten 2 tickets already for my windows. That's just my luck. And then he goes around me, but that scared the crap out of me. Man, I thought that was it. We've arrived at Dealer Options Incorporated. The Duramax is actually right there, and that thing is freaking sweet. I'm not gonna show you guys just yet. I ain't never letting go. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? See my track when you're ready, we be coming up, we can see it go, tell them not to land, and alright, we're about to take the beast to the secret drone spot to talk about the truck, go over the truck, and get some dronies there. Just for reference, I am 5'8". Oh, Jesus. Alright, let's go to our secret droney spot.
What you like listening to?
Don't matter.
Rap, John?
Probably nothing. Let's go.
Let's go.
I don't want to get copyrighted.
But this is the exit.
Yo, this is crazy. This is crazy high.
This is nutty.
Nutty. There's my truck, looking like a baby truck. Dude, I kind of want a 12-inch lift now.
Dude,
should I do
how about this Georgia weather?
What? It's
Nice
hot.
and 60 degrees.
It's hot in this hoodie. The ride's fairly decent. Kind of rides like mine. We're at the secret location. I'm a scrub. I forgot the SD card for my drone, so we're gonna see if typical, man.
I knew it.
We're trying to see if his sister has one at the shop that we can borrow. But let's go over the truck. 2018 Silverado 2500 HD with the L5P engine. Everything is stock. He's probably not gonna delete it or tune it because he only has 200 miles on it. And most people don't want to do anything if it's under warranty. Because as soon as you delete and tune, most dealerships will not warranty your vehicle. So they did a y'all did the amp steps?
Amp research steps.
You open the door?
I think you got to get those.
Oh yeah.
Don't really have a choice.
Because if you didn't, dude, I'm 5'8", and yeah, I'm struggling. And then y'all did speakers too.
Yep. It's not quite finished. Got a few more tuning up to do.
Okay.
But
I mean, it's a one-stop shop. You come here, you get lifted, speakers, everything.
we'll show them the amps on the other side.
There you go.
And the audio control, hybrid audio, good quality stuff. Redid the door speakers. Redid everything really in it. Door speakers, subs, amps, couple amps, audio control.
Cool. Alright, let's go over the lift kit. It is a 12-inch Cognito lift. It's set at 12 inches. Some of you guys might not like that angle. Dalton doesn't. Dalton has a 12-inch lift. He set his at 10-inch. It's totally up to you, but it is adjustable. 10 to 12. Cognito upper control arms. And then we have the Fox reservoir shocks. We'll go to the back. This is a Cognito.
Rear reservoirs.
Rear reservoir.
Show the leaf spring.
Leaf spring.
Huge.
Alright. Like I said, stock exhaust because it's a brand new truck. And then we'll show them the wheels. I showed them yesterday, but we'll show you guys again, kind of on the truck. 26 by 14 RBP wheels. Chrome. Forged 40 by 1550 Fury OffRoad tires. Dude, 26s are huge.
Take a look.
There you go. Look at that.
Nice and clean.
Nice and clean.
That's how we do it.
Dude, I really need amp steps. Well, at least not right now, once I lift it, because I'm going to lift it higher. But this really makes me want to lift it like...
Huge.
Yeah. Just because, why not? Before I have a kid.
I would do it. Talk to Fury. Try to get with Fury. See if you can... It's worth it.
Dude, Fury doesn't want to be with a scrub like me. Dude, this is insane. Like, look. I'm 5'8", for reference. And... look at that. I'm barely touching the mirror. It's crazy.
Wow.
Dude, y'all definitely need to put a decal on the back.
Huh?
Y'all need to put a decal on the back.
True. What if we get one made?
Alright, well, that is it for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys this monster. I know we've been waiting for the wheels and tires for a while now because I showed you guys the truck a couple videos ago, a few months ago. It's done. Shout out to Dealer Options. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.